Thank you for purchasing a Victa line trimmer attachment kit. I've taken the components out of the box and laid them all out. I'm going to step you through each one and how it operates. But as always with all Victa product, make sure that you read the operator's manual and make note that there's correct PPE being used when operating any of these attachments. I'm actually wearing gloves because there is some sharp edges here, and I'm just going to start with the hedge pruner. And you can actually see on the hedge pruner it has two tabs here. If you squeeze those, you can actually adjust the angle of operation to suit how you want to hedge with it. There is also a lengthening shaft here, or a shaft extension. This operates with the hedger attachment and the pole pruner attachment only. It does not operate with the edger attachment. Moving over to the edger attachment, again, a sharp blade here. Obviously for doing the edges around your lawn. It has an adjustment here that if you back it off, you can adjust the height so that the depth of cut can be set to suit the edge that you're trying to trim. Lastly, in the kit we have the pole pruner. This has a protective cover on it. Obviously there is some sharp teeth here on the chain. When you operate this, make sure that the chain is tensioned correctly, and we provide all the tools in the kit to do that. This also has an adjustment here, and you can see I've moved it back so that you can change the angle of the pole pruner attachment. Prior to using the pole pruner, it's super important that you put chain and bar lube in here. This is available from Bunnings, chainsaw bar and lube, so that we make sure that we keep both the chain and bar lubricated during operation. To join this onto a trimmer, it's very straightforward, and you'll see on all of these components there is a small rubber cap here. Simply remove that, and you'll see that there is a locating pin here. Take your Victa trimmer and make sure that the wing nut is loosened. Take the accessory that you wish to use, slot it into the end of the trimmer, moving it so that that locating pin is visible through the bottom of the top shaft of the trimmer, and then take the wing nut and tighten it up, ready for use. So this is the Victa line trimmer attachment kit. Again, make sure that you use the operator's manual, wear the correct PPE when you're using any of these attachments, and thank you for purchasing.